Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile application. In the previous video, we showed you the working of the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app on the Android device. For more details on the working of the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app on the Android device, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app backend configuration, wherein we'll be showing you the different sections that would be allowing the admin to add the banners, notifications, featured products, carousels, category icons, custom collections, augmented reality product 3D images, and much more. Apart from that, we'll also be showing you the homepage configurator, wherein you'll be able to set up the homepage configuration of the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app. Like you will set up the banners, seller listing, category icons, popular products, best products, featured products, latest products, manufacturer, carousels, and the recently waived product sections on the homepage of your OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now what we need to do is we need to log into the admin backend panel, and we'll be finding one option on the side panel, that's the Movicool. Under the Movicool, we have the banners, notifications, featured, carousels, category, custom collection, and the augmented reality. So this is the section wherein the admin would be able to set up these options. So we'll just go through each one by one, and we'll be seeing the different options available under each section. So the very first option that we have here is the banner. So under the banner, you'll be able to add multiple banners for your OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile application, and here you can edit according to your store language as well. So here you can see that we have the store language as English and the Arabic. So for the same, we have added the title as per the requirement there. Now the banners can be of two types. One is the product type banner and one is the category type banner. If the banner is tapped by the customers, and if it's a product type banner, then the customers would be redirected to the respective product. Otherwise, if it's of a category type banner, then the customers would be redirected to the particular category that has been assigned to the particular banner there. To add a new banner, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add banner, set up the title according to your store language, choose the product type as or the banner type as product type or category type. If you choose it as product type, then you need to add the product. For example, if I'm choosing product, then I'll be able to choose a product. Otherwise, let me cancel this out first. Let me cancel this out. Otherwise, if it's of a category type, then we have to select the particular category here. So we can choose the particular category for the respective banner there. And then you need to tap here on the save button to save that particular product or the category type banner that you have created there itself. Alright, so that was about the banner section. Now coming to the notification section, here you will find the complete list of notifications that you have already created. And to send the notifications, you can send the notifications at the time of creating the notification itself, but if you want, you can also send the notifications at a later point in time. So at a later point in time, if you want to send the notifications, then you need to select those notifications and tap here on the send notification button. You can add the notifications by tapping here on the add notification button, and you can delete the notifications by tapping on the delete button. To add a new notification, you can tap here on the add button. Apart from that, you can also edit any of the notifications that you have already created by tapping on the edit button here. So let's tap here on the add notification button, and let's see what different information sections needs to be set up for creating the notification itself. So here you have to set up the notification title according to your store language, set up the notification content that will be sent out to the customers there. The notification type can be of four types, whether it can be of the product type, then you have to choose the particular product from here. It can be of category type, then you have to choose the particular category from this particular section under the product / category ID. You can choose other type, or you can choose the custom as well. Under the custom, you'll have to choose the custom collection that you have created, like AR products and the test one that I've created. Now the custom collections can be created under the custom collection section here that you can see here. This is notification, this is the custom collection. Now if I go to the custom collection, you will be able to see both of the AR and the DTDT ones that I've created. The same are available here under the notifications. When we are creating a particular notification, then if I'm choosing it as custom, then we are able to see the AR products and the DTD one as well. Apart from that, you have to select the notification status as enabled and set up the banner for the notification message, and then you can tap here on the send and save at the same time, or you can save it and then you can send it at a later point in time there. So that was about the notification section. Then we have the featured. Now here you'll be able to add the featured products that would be visible on your OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile application, and here you can add the products as per your own requirement there. So for example, if I remove a few products from here, to add the products I need to tap here and I can select the black for collar, for example black and white straw hat, and I can save these up. So these products would be the featured products on the home page of the Hyperlocal Mobile app itself. Then we have the carousel. We can add the carousels as per the manufacturer itself, and these carousels are visible on the home page of the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app. At the very bottom end, there we'll be able to see the manufacturer carousel there. So that I'll be showing you how we can set that up, that section, how it can be set up using the home page configurator there in a while from now. So here to add the carousel or the manufacturer carousel, you need to tap here on the add carousel, and here you have to choose the what we see as the manufacturer, for example Canon, set up the banner image, set up the sort order for the same, and then tap on the save button. Now this particular carousel of the manufacturers would be then available on the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile and app on the very end there of the home page. Then coming to the category section, here what you can do is you can, for each of the categories that are visible, if you're swiping from left to right and you're bringing the categories up, then you can set up the category image and the category icons there for the different categories of your store for your mobile application there. So for example, for electronics, you can tap here and you can edit or upload the particular category image. The same goes with the category icon. You can tap and edit and upload the particular category icon for the respective category as well. Apart from that, you can also filter out the categories according to your requirement there, and then you can change the category image and the category icon as well as per your own requirements there. And after uploading them up, you need to tap here on the save button thereafter. Then coming to the custom collection, as I've shown you that the custom collection is used in the notification section for sending the custom collection notifications to the customers there. And here to add a particular custom collection, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add button. You can also delete the notifications or the custom collections by selecting the particular collection and tapping on the delete button thereafter. Apart from that, you can edit any of the collections by tapping on the edit button. For example, we have the AR products here. If I tap here on the edit button, then we'll come to this particular section. Here we have to set up the collection name according to our store languages, set up the create product collection according to product IDs, latest product count, or the product attribute. So according to the product IDs, latest product count, and the product attribute, you will be able to create your product collection. And according to product IDs, if you selected product IDs, then you have to select the products from this particular section that would be available within this particular collection itself. The same goes with the latest product count. Then you have to set up the latest product count that should be displayed within the particular collection there. Then we have the product attribute. You can choose the product attribute as price, manufacturer, model, or any of the attributes that you have created. According to that, you can set up the product attribute value as well. For example, for price we have set it up. For manufacturer, we have to set up the manufacturers. For example, we have chosen Apple, so the Apple would be included in the particular collection there itself. Now let me tap back. To add a new collection, you have to tap here in the add button. Give the collection name according to the store languages. Choose the create product collection as product IDs. Then you have to choose the products from this particular section. Latest product count, then set up the latest product count. product attribute, then choose the product attribute and the product attribute value here, and according to that the particular collection would be created there itself. Lastly, under this particular section we have the augmented reality. Here you'll be able to upload 3D models of your product images that can be then used by the customers to view the products in the 3D visualization there using their mobile device. So to add a new one, you have to tap here on the add button and choose the product here. For example, you want to add it for a beach prom dress. Then for the beach prom dress, you have to upload the Android 3D model and the iOS 3D model. For the Android 3D model, you have to upload the .glb file, and for the iOS 3D model, you have to upload the .usdz file extension for the 3D model there. Then make it as enabled and then tap on the save button, and the particular product would be saved with the 3D image model itself. So this was about the Mobicool and the sections that we get under the Mobicool for configuring the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile application there. Now coming to the extensions and the extensions, and here we'll be going to modules, and here we'll be going to Mobicool, and here we'll be editing it up, and here on the right hand side to the right of the general tab we have the home page setting. So here you will be able to set up the home page configurator. Using this home page configurator, you will be able to configure your home page layout basically. So here you have the browse by brands, as I told you about the manufacturer Carousel. Latest products are there, featured products are there, best products, popular products. Then we have the sellers according to the seller name, location name, the product count, the top categories here, and the banners at the very top itself. Now here we have 3 columns basically. The first column that you can see here is displaying all the homepage components which is fixed and is used to add in this app's home page. This second one is used to delete the components and arrange in descending or ascending order. And the third one that you can see here is just the image representation of the home page. So for example, I want to add banners this is the banner at the very top. I want to delete it, I'll delete it. Now we have the categories at the very top. Now I want to add the banners. I can add the banners. The banners have been added to the very end. So here the banners have been added to the very end on the home screen. Now I want to take it up to the top. I'll drag and drop it to the top. So if I scroll up on the image representation of the home page, you can see that the banner has been added to the very top. So that's how you can easily set up the components as per your own requirement, and you can check the image representation of the home page as well, and you can use this particular center section to delete the components and arrange them in descending or ascending order as per your own requirement there. So that was about the home page settings for the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile application. Apart from that, we also have the general settings wherein you'll be able to enable this particular one from this particular section here. You have to enter some general settings here like API key, API password, and the FCM authorization key for the push notifications. Then we have the edit application settings, whether you want to display the Play Store link and the Apple Play Store link on your website there. You can add the links for the same, whether you want to make it visible on the top or on the bottom of the website, and the front end text that you want to display basically at the front end, and the shipping methods and the payment methods that would be available within the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app itself for the hyperlocal system there, as you can see. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart Hyperlocal Mobile app configuration part that I've shown you. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.